Good day, sir. License and registration, please.
It's over.
Woohoo! Congratulations, Guitar.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you know, in 3 previous videos we worked on the Nissan, so we are going to work on it again in this video. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to start with that side by removing the lines and also like removing the small dents that's on that side. So there's a lot of work to do that side, not that much that there was like this side, but
Yeah, just some sanding. You're not going to use any body filler or
anything
stuff like that. Yes.
No, so yes, so we're going to start that side now.
Cool.
Inspecting it, but I'm just kidding. So guys, I've sanded the entire piece here that had like a lot of dents, so I got most of them out. There was just like 2 left, which I just filled a bit, so I'm just gonna sand that and then it's gonna be out. And then also I cleaned the line where I filled it now, so everything is still wet. I just have to wait for them to dry and then I can start with the sand.
Good day, sir. License and registration, please.
It's away.
Woohoo! Congratulations, Buta. So yeah, he did his license today and he got it. So we knew he's gonna get it anyway because he told us if he's not gonna pass, he's gonna close the doors and start drifting until he passes. So which one was it?
The not drifting one. So guys, I got this rear end with the line perfectly sanded and I think everything is perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start to work here at the back and just fill everything here at the back and finish everything here at the back so that it's nice and smooth and all that, and then I can continue and finish the rest of the car, you know.
Cool. So guys, the deeper we go, the more rust we see, but that's not a problem. We will fix that. That's just the right way to do it.
Yeah, so I was working here at the back and fixing everything, and as I work there's like a lot of rust underneath the paint, so you don't see it, and when I start sanding you just like see rust popping out. So I'm just like clean everything I saw that I thought where rust was. So I think everything is fine now. I don't see anything else, but as we like sand, I put some body filler here and there. Maybe as I sand it I'll see some new rust, hopefully not. But yeah, I'm almost done with this. Then I'm just going to continue in the front, and then we're going to flat it and give it some the entire body some primer.
Yes.
You know? So but there's a lot of people who asked about
This
box.
car over here that we work on.
Yes,
This is actually boring. We're not gonna build anything. The only thing we had to do is
We're just
do
doing
some
the-
body work.
Yeah, we're just doing the body work as you can see, and then after that we're just gonna paint it.
Just white again, and we have to
Paint it
do.
white.
We have to spray the inside of the engine bay as well, and it's really rusty and dirty. So, but we will show you some content then. There was a few subscribers that did ask what we
about
are
it.
doing with it. So
We'll
yeah.
show you when we paint it or after
Yes.
we paint it or something. And
Yeah,
then after we paint it, it's just going back. We're
Yeah,
not
they're
gonna-
building it themselves. The only thing they couldn't do is body work and paint work. That door's gonna come off. There's a new door. If it comes off, because it doesn't want to come off.
It's
but
on
yeah.
there. But anyways, so yeah, the body work is almost done with it. So then we're gonna paint it, and
Yes.
we'll just show you that.
Yeah, let me show you this side. So there was a lot of body damage over there and there at the back. So they're not done yet. So basically what we're gonna have to do is, after we paint it, we're just gonna give it a polish, and then we're not gonna even assemble it everything back
we're
together.
not-
We're just gonna take it back as it is.
Yes, we don't have any of the parts because the guys brought it like this, and we're just gonna send it back like this. So
Yeah, but we're happy to help them out to build it, you know.
Yes,
so at least it's gonna have a really nice paint job. And I
so
believe, I don't know how it's gonna look afterwards, but yeah, I think it will
it will
look
look
cool.
nice. So, but now let's continue with the work.
Cool. Right, boss. actually supposed to cover this thing today, or in this video actually, but this is much harder than I thought it's gonna be. It's not as easy as on the Porsche. The reason for that is, like I said previously, we are trying to keep it as original as possible. The only thing we want to see is some stitching here. That's gonna need to happen. So I won't be able to cover it nicely and smoothly over here. So it's gonna be too difficult. So yeah, we were stitching this whole thing and it's still not correct. So we're making a new pattern for this thing for the second time. So hopefully this time it will be fine. So Martin is going to go buy more material for this thing. And yeah, I was just thinking of just showing you guys our mistakes as well, and not always all the smooth things that go smoothly. So yeah, here's one of our struggles. I'm going to show you guys how we do this, and then when Martinus get back, hopefully we can make this new pattern and maybe cover it in this video. We will see.
So guys, I got like this entire side sanded. All I still need to do is do the line on the inside, and then also the fender. There's like a dent there. Then we're done with the bodywork. Then we can like just sand everything with 600 and 220, give it some primer, sand the primer, and then we're ready for paint, you know. So we're almost done with it.
So close. The interior is basically done. All I need to do is the dash. So I'm taking my time on doing the dash because I want it perfect. So, but the rest of the stuff is already done. So once everything is paint in the inside,
you can just put everything back together.
Yeah.
And we still have to sand the engine bay.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that, and still have to rubberize and cut a new plate for that back and stuff like that. So we're basically nearly there.
But as soon as we have the primer on the car, I'm going to start with the engine bay and then at the back. Then we can leave the primer to dry, you know, give it enough time to dry, and then when we're done with everything, we can sand the primer and then paint the car.
So we're gonna leave it for a few days and then continue working on the master, and then most probably gonna paint that fox over there.
Yes, while the primer is drying. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also hit the subscribe button if you have not yet. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Cheers!